back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to go from that hot mess to these beautiful flat twist curls. So first things first, I already shampooed my hair. I used my OGX Keratin Oil Shampoo, the anti-break one, and then I used the Vitamin E conditioner. So right now I'm just applying the conditioner over my hair, and I sectioned off my hair and then just trying to comb it out. Y'all, my hair has been so tangled because I just been putting it in a low bun for the past 2 weeks. So that's why it's just like so tangled and so a mess right now. So yeah, I haven't been like combing it out. I'll just brush it back into a low bun, and that's been it really. And then I'll apply some of like my leave-in conditioner that I use, and that's why it's just been a hot mess. So I was like, okay, I need to do something to my hair. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys how I do my flat twist. And yeah, because I have been getting a lot of questions as to what products I use and how I twist it out, so I decided to show you guys. So I switched my combs because that small comb was just giving me the blues, and it was just really pulling out my hair so much, so I just decided to switch to my bigger wide tooth comb. It's very important, y'all, when you are twisting out your hair or detangling your hair, to be gentle with your hair. Don't like really pull and tug onto it, because when your hair is, special or more so when it's dry, it's weaker, and then when it's wet, it's a little bit more you can do a little bit more to it. So definitely be careful when you're detangling your hair. Try to finger detangle it first, and then when you get that pretty much detangled, then go in with the comb. So that's kind of what I did. But if you use like a lot of conditioner on your hair while it's still wet and then detangling it, that helps a lot too. So what I put on my hair first was the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I really like this product just because it really helps to smooth out my hair. It also helps to condition and moisturize, and it really helps to soften my hair. Oh, and I forgot, I left my my OGX conditioner on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and that's what really helped my hair get like a little bit more on the softer side. So I used some Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges to lay down my edges, and then I used my favorite Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I also used a spray bottle. The spray bottle really just helps to hydrate my hair a little bit more, and I like to do it this way with a little bit more water because I feel like sometimes my twist outs come out way better. And then I just twist it and then repeat the same product. So my leave-in conditioner, water, and then some of my Shea Moisture product, and then twist. And then I also use the Demon brush. The Demon brush is literally a lifesaver. That helps to detangle the hair a little bit more. It also helps to get all the hairs aligned, so when you are twisting it out, it's not like no strayaways or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend getting a Demon brush because it really helps too to define your curls when you're twisting out your hair or when you're doing your twist outs. So I'm just speeding it up and showing you guys how I twist out my hair. I actually learned how to twist out my hair from YouTube. I learned from this girl about 5 years ago on YouTube. It was really difficult at first because I'm just so used to just doing just regular braids. So for me to do it like this was a little hard. So the way I do it is I just take 2 pieces of hair and divide it, and then just twist it, and then add hair in each twist, and just twist and add on to it, basically. Kind of like you braiding it, but you just twisting it. So it's kind of like the same concept. But yeah, so that's how I do it. And then at the end of my hair, because I don't have my rods, because I usually put rods on at the end, I like to use rods sometimes because it kind of makes the hair look a little longer, and then that it doesn't curl up as much without the rods. Okay, y'all, so I did use a hair dryer. I had like a little overhead hair dryer to dry some of my curls the night before, because it was already pretty late, and then I knew the next morning they wasn't going to be dry. So I just used my little hair dryer and kind of dried some of my hair. But yeah, so it'll be dry for the next morning. So the way that I take down my twist styles is I start at the bottom of it, like I untwist it, and then I start to pull at the bottom as opposed to the top, and that way it'll still look really cute and curled without looking too pulled apart. And that's pretty much it. And I just add more of that my leave-in conditioner, and I add some water just to loosen it up a little bit more, and I just add some of my edge control gel, and that's it. I don't have a pick. I usually use Dexter pick, but I don't know where his is at, so I just use my wide tooth comb to kind of just separate the hair a little bit more. And I was gonna leave it on that side, but I flipped it over to the other side, and that's it, y'all. That's pretty much how I do my twist outs. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you in my next upload. Bye, guys.